Now the first thing to do is to come to Gemini or go to ChatGPT, whatsoever chat platform that you use. Then you now come and write this prompt. Write me a prompt that I can use to create an African businessman in his office or whatsoever. Let's say you are in Europe or whatsoever part of the world, or whatsoever you want, right? So I'm in Africa and I want an African businessman, right, in his office. Let it be 4K resolution, right? And then keep in mind that the image will be turned into a talking avatar, right? A talking AI image, right? Make sure everything is properly aligned. Good. So just do that and then type enter, and it's going to give you this prompt. So this is the prompt that we're going to be needing here. Now you can see that it gave us this prompt and then it put a 40 years to 50 years because obviously a businessman that is successful be around that age, but we want a younger age. So you can change this to 20s and then here to 30s to get a younger person, because you can see this is what he gave us here. It's an older person. So depending on whatever result you want, please just use your head and think about how you're going to get it. So now what we're going to do next is to copy this particular prompt, right? This prompt, exactly, you just copy it. It's just what you need. Copy it, and then what you're going to do is to go to another platform called type Google Lab, right? Google Lab. So you just come, so you see Google Lab Weeks. See this Google Lab Weeks. You just enter. So you just come here, right? This Google Lab. Now in Google Lab, you can see there's a lot of things you can do here. So what you're going to come is just this weeks. So you come to this launch weeks and tap on it, and then you now come and then enter to. Tap on this enter to. Good. Now you see this is where you're going to paste that prompt that you copied. So we're just going to do paste here. This is the prompt you copied, and we're going to change the age because we want it to be a younger person, 20s to 30s, not 50s. So good. So what you're going to do now is just to come here and then tap on this arrow, right? So we're going to wait for it to generate our image for us. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends if you're getting value. Good. So you can see this is the beautiful image that's created for us, so we can now download whichever you want. I kind of like this one, so let me download it. Good. Now we've downloaded it, you can see here. Now the next platform we're going to come to is HeyGen, right? HeyGen with the AI here. Just tap on it, right? This is the next AI tool we're going to use. Now what you're going to do is to sign up. Let's sign up with Google. Good. And we have now come to HeyGen. So what we're going to do next is to scroll down, right? See, you scroll down here and then you see this photo to image, this photo to video. So we're going to click, right? We're going to turn photos to video. So good. So what we're going to do is now to create. So here we're going to upload the image that we just downloaded, right? That we just got. Just tap on upload and then let's go to direct, and then let's just open it. Good. So you can see the image here. Good. So we are now going to make it say something. Now you have to be creative of what you want it to say, right? So you can go back. You can easily just, maybe if you're testing this out, you can just go back to your chat platform and then just tell your chat platform that you can go back to your chat platform and good. So you can see, you can just tell your chat platform to tell me, or you can just say write me what my avatar see. But this is not what I want, but you can just type this and go, right? So it's going to now write for you what you're going to now copy and then just post it there for you to see. But now I actually want it to say something creative for me, right? So you see, the beautiful thing about using AI is how you could use the AI for profit, right? You can use the AI to get something positive out of, right? It's not just by using AI, like, okay, now you could use the AI and just say something, right? Say random things, but you can also use the AI to advertise a product. You can see the difference, right? So if advertising a product with an AI is much more profitable than just using the AI to just say whatsoever to entertain people, entertain yourself, right? So put that in mind. Good. So now what I'm going to do now is to create my own thing that I want it to say. So I've gotten what I want my AI to say, right? So what I'm going to do is just come and paste it here. So you can also upload a voice, a recording, right? An audio voice, right? Or an audio script, right? Or a script like a PDF and stuff for it. So you can see, you can notice that it says it only requires 720 words, right? 720 words, and my own has obviously passed that 720. So what I'm going to do is going to reduce certain words to suit that. Okay, let me see, let me reduce this, let me see. Okay, so I've addressed it, I've filtered the words, right, and it has matched the number that is required. So what we're going to do now is to come here and then select the voice that we want, right? So we can now choose from the options, right, that they've given voice. I've given voice here, so you can even come and then type, let's say Nigerian. If there's a Nigerian voice, let's search. So you can see there's a Nigerian voice here. So now let's tap on it. So we're now going to come down here, right? We're going to come down here and let's try playing it and see. Right.
Tired of searching for online work that actually pays in Nigeria? I've got you covered. My digital product.
So you notice here, this down place, it said customize motion, right? So you can customize the way you want it to, the way you want your avatar to behave, right? So calm or direct. I just tapped on that. When you're done with everything, you just tap on generate video and it's going to generate everything for you, right?
Tired of searching for online work that actually pays in Nigeria? Worry less. Tired of searching for online work that actually pays in Nigeria? Worry less. Here are secret paying websites and apps. Verified platforms where Nigerians can earn money. Tasks, surveys, passive income from sharing internet, remote jobs. It's all there. No more guesswork, just real opportunities. Get access for just 2,000 naira. Click link or send a DM.